Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a countdown timer in Premiere Pro.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, here we are in Premiere Pro. I have this video clip. Here you can see the rocket launch video clip. Now let's create a countdown timer. Go to the file, New, Black Video. Or you can go to the new item and click on the black video. Set the size and hit OK. Rename it Countdown and drag it into the timeline. Go to the Effects tab, search for the timecode effect, and drag it into the countdown layer. Here is our timer set. Now go to the Effects Controls tab and increase the size. Here you can see this dot. So remove it by just unchecking this field symbol. Here, the dot is removed. Set the timecode source media to generate. Here is the timer set. Go to the opacity and set the blend mode from normal to screen. Now set the position or scale and play the clip. If you want to remove the hour, go to the Effects tab, search for the crop effect, and drag it into the countdown layer. Now go to the Effects Controls tab. Click the crop effect and crop the timer like this. Now play the clip. Cool. I am going to set the timer for 3 seconds. You can set the timer according to your video clip. Now we need to reverse the timer. Select the countdown layer, right-click, Nest, rename it Countdown, and hit OK. Select the clip and set the blend mode from normal to screen. Again, right-click, Speed Duration. Check the box for reverse speed, and hit OK. Now play the clip. Nice. Now add some text. Go to the text tool and simply type launch. Set the text. And choose this Space H font. Arrange the text or timer into the same position. Select both layers and move up. Here you can see the timer is not looking proper, so to fix that, go to the Project tab, New Item, Color Matte. Set the size and hit OK, and color to black, hit OK. Hit OK. Drag it into the timeline. Go to the Effects tab, search for the ramp effect, and drag it into the black matter layer. Now go to the Effects Controls tab. Set the blend mode normal to multiply. Select the ramp effect, and set the color pointer like this. Now add some depth to the text. Go to the razor tool and simply cut the text layer like this. Delete the crop layers and hit enter to render this. Now check out the video. Here we are, done. Create a countdown timer in Premiere Pro. After adding the music or sound effects, your video looks like this.